Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, as you have seen in the thumbnail, I'm going to give you a special trick, teach you a special trick through which you all can learn how to make a circle without using compass. So let's start the video. As you all know, today we will make a circle. No, without a compass. For that we will need a pencil and eraser. So we'll not use the cover of the eraser. Please, I recommend not to use. You can use short as well as long pencils, and also please do not use the pointed side, use the curved side as I am using. And you can take short and long pencils. There is nothing. So as you can see, you have to place the pencil and hold it with one side with the thumb. With the index you have to hold the pencil, and with the other three fingers you have to hold the side of the eraser. Thumb at one side, other three fingers at the other side, and index finger at the top holding the pencil. So now the index finger will give support to the pencil, and the thumb and the other three fingers will hold the eraser. This will help to get a proper grip. In this way we will hold the pencil. Now we'll put the eraser a little bit downwards. We'll curve, put it like this, and we will put our hand in stiff, and we will rotate the page. Turn the page in a circular motion properly. As you can see that my circle is being made, but it's a little bit light, so I am doing twice. So I will be showing by making one more circle now. As you can see, again, once more, keep the pencil, put your thumb and index at the top, thumb at the left, and the other three fingers at the right side of the eraser. Hold it properly. Now I will be showing one simple thing. This is the thing, you can see, I'm showing it. Now, again, once more. We have to put the hand, as you can see, what we will do, we will not make the pencil directly down, we will lift the eraser at the point a little bit, so that we can get it properly, we can place the pencil. So now we will rotate the page. As you can see, we can make the circle. So I'm going to show you that can we make not only on paper but also in the copy. I have taken one copy, simple regular copy which we use in the school, and now we'll place the eraser and the pencil on top of it. Just as I told, we have to hold the pencil and lift it and then turn it. Done? It's done. Properly it's done. So now another copy. Let's do it. See, it's a copy. I've turned the pages to show you all that the copy of everything. Now the eraser, pencil top. I've taken a round pencil. Some people may think, is it only with the hexagonal? So in the same way, I'm drawing the circle. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and like my videos. And one thing to say, please do not use triangular erasers. Please use rectangular erasers for this trick. And for the instead, I want to say that I do not make like this tricks, but I knew this, so I made it. But I make art videos